Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing resource for job seekers. Before that, if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe for more regular updates related to jobs and internships, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss an important updates like these, startup list, placement material and many more. So let's start the video. If you are looking for jobs in Noida location, then we have an Excel sheet containing list of companies based in Noida. We have the company name, their address and their website link. So for example, if you are looking jobs in Adobe or Noida location, go to their company. Okay. And after visiting to their website, you can easily find career section either in navbar or in a footer. Here we have their career section. In career section you can find list of job openings which you can apply directly. Okay, so as Adobe is a global organization, you need to search. So here we will get list of openings for Noida location. Like this you can search for other locations. Similarly, visit to all website, find the list of openings in their career section and apply directly. You can also apply on LinkedIn by reaching to recruiters. Just search the company name plus HR word, then you will get the list of HRs in that company. You can reach out to them and ask to consider your application or ask them any referral. You can also reach to employees for any referral. Okay, at the top of the Excel sheet we have a startup list for Bangalore location, all India startup list. Here you will get a startup list for all the locations. We have particularly for Pune location, and this is very important resource which can be game changing for job seekers. So we have 1,000 startup lists which were funded in 23. So you can use this resource for your next dream job. Uh, we have their career portal, we have their company LinkedIn page. Go, for example, if you want to work in Ola Electric, go to their LinkedIn profile. Okay, after visiting to their LinkedIn profile you can easily find the job section. In the job section you can easily find the list of openings. Find the suitable role which you want to apply directly, or you can also search the HRs of these companies. Just write the company name and HR. You will get the list of HR whom you can contact and ask for consideration. Like similarly you can visit for all companies. These are the major startups which were funded in 23. So this resource can be game changing for job seekers. Go use it. I will give the link of this uh, Excel sheet in the video description. Also will you will also get the links of these resources. Go use it, and if you have any doubt, do comment. I will share next startup list very soon, so comment for which location you want. And if you need any more help or resources, do let me know. So thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.